Can you retire on $1 million? Most people think the answer is yes, but that's only true. If you avoid this one mistake that's draining retirements across America, and no one's talking about it, and if you think you're safe because your 401k looks healthy right now, I want to show you how fast that can change. And the one move people like Michael from Scottsdale, Arizona, made that changed his entire future. But first, let's get real. As of this week, inflation is still outpacing most retirement returns. And with the Fed sending mixed signals about future rate cuts, the market is stuck in limbo. Meanwhile, credit card debt just hit an all-time high, over 1.3 trillion, and banks are quietly tightening up. That soft landing everyone hoped for? It's starting to look like wishful thinking. So what's the mistake? The mistake is thinking $1 million is a finish line, instead of a number that needs to be protected. Let me tell you about Michael. He was a senior electrical engineer who retired last year with $1,042,000 in his IRA. After 35 years in the same company, he did everything right, saved consistently, lived within his means, even downsized the house. But what kept him up at night wasn't whether he had enough, it was whether it would stay enough. He told me this: I didn't spend 4 decades building this thing just to watch it melt with every Fed meeting or bank scare. So he rolled over just $287,000, less than a third of his account, into a gold IRA. That one step gave him the peace of mind he needed, and it all started from the same offer I'll tell you about in a minute. Now, let's be clear. A gold IRA isn't about going all in on gold or some doomsday bet. It's about diversifying into something that isn't controlled by Wall Street or Washington. It's physical gold, real, tangible wealth, held in a retirement account you still control. The beautiful part? It's IRS approved. And if you're over 59 and a half, you can move part of your IRA or 401k into gold with no penalties or taxes. Most folks don't even know that. But what matters most is this: when markets drop, gold has historically held firm, or even gained. That's not theory. That's decades of data. And it's why so many Americans, especially retirees, are shifting part of their wealth into assets that actually protect what they've earned. If you're someone who spent 20, 30, even 40 years building your nest egg, then here's the truth. Retirement isn't just about having enough. It's about keeping enough. And that's why we put together something special just for you: a completely free gold IRA guide and a no-pressure one-on-one educational call. No gimmicks, no sales pitch, just clarity. This is the same starting point that Michael took before he made his move. And if you're 55 or older, with at least $100,000 saved in an IRA or 401k, you can take the same step today. Just click the link, get the guide, book the call. It takes 2 minutes, and it could be the smartest 2 minutes of your retirement. Because the real risk isn't doing something, it's doing nothing. You've worked hard for this. Let's protect it, for yourself, and for whoever comes after you.